Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change WordPress homepage. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then go to settings and click on reading, and here we can see the option your homepage displays. From here select a static page and home page, click on this drop down, and from here select your home page. So right now this is my home page and I'm going to select now sample page. Then I'm going to click on save changes, and now I'm going to refresh my website, and here you can see my homepage has been changed. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.